So hello everyone. In this quick video, I will show you how you can reset clean your Microsoft Copilot history. So let's get started. First, let's open our Microsoft Copilot. I have in my taskbar. Let's quickly open it. I've clicked and it's open. So you can see here there is one chat present here, and my reason for doing this is Microsoft Copilot answers are based on my our previous conversation. So I want I don't want that. That's why I am doing this. Uh, Please mention your if you want you can comment your reason why you are doing that. So now at the bottom here you can see a setting option is there. So let's click on that setting option. After clicking on setting option, you will see here various options. And but the option we are interested in is the export or delete history. That is here. Just click on export or delete history. After clicking on that option, you will be redirected to the your Microsoft account. I have already signed in to my Microsoft account, and that's here. So that's why I'm directly logged in. After logged in, you will see the first option, that is Copilot app activity history. So what this is saying is this activity history includes the things you would type while visiting copilot.microsoft.com, Copilot apps, and the AI assisted response you receive. Please note that clearing your Copilot activity history does not clear your search history. So we are interested in this and not in Microsoft 365 apps. So that's why we are going to click on here, delete all activity history. After clicking on, after clicking here, you will get another pop-up. What here it is saying is, you are sure you want to clear your Copilot activity history? And yes, we are sure that we want to do that we want to do it. So just simply click on the clear button. After clicking on clear button, you will see that your search history is completely cleared. So quickly so now close this, let it be. Now open your Microsoft, your Microsoft account, Microsoft Copilot, and now again open your Copilot. So why I'm doing this Copilot. So you can you can see that our previous conversation is completely deleted and no previous conversation is present here, and so it's a fresh new Microsoft Copilot. Here you can chat from the beginning. So that was all for this video. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.